guys, welcome back to my channel. The new Honeybee release is here, so I'm going to share the beautiful stamps, dies, and papers and stencils with you today. If you spend $75 worth of Honeybee products, you will see this pop into your cart automatically with a price of $0. So this will be a free gift with $75 purchase of Honeybee items. It's the Crystal Prism gem stickers, and they are really, really pretty. It's also available for purchase. You will also see a free with 60 pop into your cart if you use the code Jamie. And once your order hits the requirement, you will see the little free gift listing pop into your cart. So let's share the new paper. This is new to Honeybee, and it's really, really pretty paper, very high quality. I love the little designs on there. They're so pretty. This one's the Spring Fling. And I'll just flip through this one so you could get an idea of the quality. They are double-sided. Love those hearts. Really cute patterns. So here is the Over the Rainbow. We've got the Bee's Knees. And then a more masculine print, The Great Outdoors. Shop early for best selection. I have limited quantities on these. Here's a beautiful one called Fluttering By. It's got several butterflies in here and some beautiful sentiments. Spring Peony is a beautiful flower set. You can create some different flower clusters with this. Add the little stem to the longer stem. Add some leaves and berries to this. This one is called Rainbow Wishes. So you get a rainbow, the little sun, there's a little rainbow, some sunbeams, and another sun that you could stamp right here. You've got You're a Rainbow After the Storm, Thinking of You, Hugs, Kisses, and Rainbow Wishes. Just a note to say thank you, I love you, and there's a sending you. And then this is the coordinating die for this stamp set. So it will cut out the rainbow pieces individually, so you could do different color cardstock. Also, it will cut out the little sun rays, and then there's clouds with an open frame, so you can create a little shaker in your cloud, or you can use the inner portion. Different size clouds. There's some little hearts and raindrops. This here will cut out the sentiment. I think it's going to cut out this one, You're a Rainbow After the Storm. And then here's another one to cut out the other large sentiment. The Cottage Window is just an awesome die. They have some really great examples for this die. I love these shutters, so you can add shutters to your window if you want. There's curtains, so you can put the curtains on the inside or the outside. Depends which way you're looking in. And then there's some window sills and this piece here for the top of your curtains. And then you can make a scene on the inside or outside. Really cute. Here's the die for the other flower stamp set. So the die does cut out the inside of the leaves here. So that's really nice. Let's see, we've got some stencils here. This one is going to go great with that Rainbow Wishes stamp set. So we've got a rainbow. There's two set of stencils in here. One has the clouds, and the other one has the rainbow. This radiant stencil will be perfect for any background scene. The diamond patterns come in 2, and there's 2 different sizes. We've got Friends Forever, so one has little paw prints and the other one has bigger paw prints. The one with the little paw prints has little hearts, and they're perfect for the little cat and dog stamp sets that I'll show next. And this mandala is so pretty. Look how delicate and thin the stencil is. You get 2 stencils, and there's a stamp set that coordinates with that. So we've got the Perfect Sentiments, which I love the fonts on these. I'll spend all 9 lives with you. Oh, my whiskers, it's your birthday. Wishing you a perfect day. You are my forever friend. Just to name some of them, they're really cute. And then this is the Oh My Whiskers stamp set. I think this is my favorite stamp set from the new release. The cats are just so cute. Very nice size images in this. It's a very large set. I just love all these little kitties. You get individual ones and then ones that already are a scene. And then there's a little kite that they could be hanging off of. How cute would it be to have this one and then some little cats hanging off his tail? That would be super cute. And then the coordinating die to cut out all the images. And this is the one that coordinates with this stencil. It's called Hair for You. So we've got some different sentiments in here. Gonna be okay. You got this. I'm here for you. It's all gonna be okay. Love, good, and God's. So it's a really nice set. This will also pair up very nicely with the stamp set. It's called Cherish, and there is a Cherish die that cuts out the Cherish. There's a outline and then another stitched outline die for the big word. We've got Friends Forever. So this one coordinates with this really cute puppy one. So we've got No Bones About It. Sorry, life has been rough. You are Possum. It's potty time. Can I lend you a paw? So glad you're part of my pack. You're so doggone kind. Just to name a few. And then look at all these cute little dogs. I love this one. He's doing the yoga pose. He's like doing downward facing dog, and I forgot what this pose is called. The one where you look up. This one's got a little heart in his mouth. This one looks so cute. Like he's just like flying in the air. They are so cute. And then you've got little accessories in here. This one's called Awesome Sauce. And I love this one. I love your freaking face. That is an awesome sentiment. I can't help but notice how awesome you are. There's just some really cool ones in here. Thank you for existing. You are such a gem. Fantastic rad. Hope your day is awesome sauce. I love it. And here's a Mother's Day stamp set. So we've got the Happy Mother's Day and then this cluster of flowers here. And what's great about the die is you can cut out these different, so this one will cut out the flowers, this one will cut out the mothers, and then there's a thin mothers, so that's like an outline. But these big dies here, you cut this out on the front panel, and then you have this stamped on the inside panel. So the little flowers go on here. And on this one, you could have the Happy Mother's Day on top, and then the flowers on the bottom. So look at the examples on this one. I think that's really cool. We've got spring chicks, so we've got the little chickens here, some eggs, the chicken coop to go with this one, and then we've got the excellent sentiments to go with that. You crack me up, you're a good egg, shake your tail feathers, feeling a little cooped up. So lots of great stamps, dies, papers, and stencils to play with this release. Love it. So I'll have the link down below, guys. Remember, US orders over $60 ship for free. So thanks, guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Happy crafting, everyone.